Once upon a time, there was a fire truck that wanted to be an ambulance. All the other trucks made fun of her. What do you mean you want to be an ambulance? You are a fire truck. You have the ladder, you have the water cannon. You're red. You're a fire truck. Me, I'm the ambulance, said the ambulance from the other side of the yard. I'm white. There is a red Star of David on my side. I have a bed on the back of the car. I'm the ambulance. But I want to be one too. If you will not allow me, I'm going someplace else and I'm going to be an ambulance. So the fire truck started itself, vroom, 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 and drove away. All the other cars looked at it and didn't know what to do. Where is it going? It's a fire truck. I'm not a fire truck, said the fire truck, and disappeared. The fire truck was driving between the mountains, between the fields, between the flowers, and then it saw a bunch of ships. The car stopped. And beep, 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 beep. The ships look at the car and said, whoa. The car said, beep, beep. Ship said, bah, bah. What are you beeping at? I want to move. I want to become a fire. Oh, sorry, I am a fire. I'm in an ambulance. Bah, bah, laughed the ships. You can never be an ambulance. But why? Because you are, I know, a fire truck, but I want to change. Bah, said an old ship. Look at me, bah. I am a sheep. You think I can be a giraffe? No, said the fire truck. So why do you think you can be an ambulance? I don't like you very much. I'm going away. You cannot go, you can only drive, said Mother Sheep. And fire truck drove away. Then it came next to a lake. Inside the lake, there were 2 beautiful white swans and another 2 beautiful black swans. The fire truck beep beeped, beep beeped. The swans looked at the fire truck and looked around and said to one another, there is no fire, why is it beeping? There is no fire, why is it beeping? Hey, said the fire truck and pulled up the ladder so they can see it. Hey, look at me. Don't yell, we see you. What do you want? I want to become an ambulance. But you can't. Why? And don't say because I'm a fire truck. Okay, we don't say, but you just said it. You have to accept who you are and be happy with what you are. You can be a better of what you already are. Be what? Be a better fire truck. You are a fire truck. You can be a better one by doing better job. But you cannot be an ambulance. I don't think I like you very much. I'm driving away. And the fire truck kept going. Then the fire truck came to the woods. Just in front of the gate to go to the woods, there was sitting a lion. The lion said, "Wow, What are you doing here? It's noontime. I want to rest. Fire truck looked at the lion and thought, is he hungry or is he tired?
Hungry.
Baby said he's hungry, so fire truck stopped. When it stopped, it looked at the lion and said, beep, beep, very, very low beep. Can you help me? What do you want? Said the lion. I want to be an ambulance. You're boring. No, I'm not boring. I want to be an ambulance. That's why you're boring. I want to sleep. But you are the king. Woke up the lion. Yes, I am the king. But I'm not your king. I'm the king of the animals. Yeah, but you're the king. You can make me an ambulance. Hey, car. I'm a king, not a magician. Oh, thought the car. I don't like the lion very much, but I can't say it. It might bite my tires. You have a nice sleep. I'm driving away. Okay, said the lion. And the car drove away. And it drove to the right, and then it drove to the left, and then it stopped. And then the car started thoughts coming to heads, thinking, and why do everyone says that I cannot be an ambulance? I really want to, and if I want to, I mean really want to, I should be able to do it. I will ask one more. If one more will tell me no, I don't want to think what will happen. So the car drove, and it came close to the zoo. And it stopped. There was
Monkey.
a small child, very young child, very sweet child. And the car said, beep, beep, very quietly so the child will not be afraid. Hey, child, can you help me? The child looked. Who's talking? It's me, the fire truck. It's me. Oh, hi, fire truck. Can you pull up the ladder? For you, anything, said the fire truck. And it pulled up the ladder up to the top. Can I go up in the ladder? Oh, no, son. You're very young. It's my job to protect you, not to danger you. Oh, so what can I do? Well, you can come up in and you can start the siren. Oh, I want that very much. And the little boy came into the truck and started the siren. And the fire truck took the little boy to a small drive around the square and brought it back. And then the child remembered. Did you want to ask me something? Asked the child. And the car said, yeah, I did. But I'm not sure that I want any more. Never mind. Can you just tell me what you wanted? And the car said, I wanted to be an ambulance. But why? You are a fire truck. You save people from the fire. You save people from the flood. You save people from everything. You're a life savior. Oh, I didn't think about it like that. Thank you so much, little kid. What is your name? I'm just Sam. Oh no, you're not just Sam. You are Sam the Amazing. Thank you so much. Now I know that if I want to change to be somebody else, it means I need to change the way I think and become better of what I am. Thank you so much. I'm going back to where I came from now. I have some friends waiting for me. Thank you for the ride. Bye-bye, said the little boy. And little fire truck drove very carefully back to the yard. Oh, you came back and you're not an ambulance. No, I am a very proud fire truck, said the fire truck. You are? Everybody was very surprised. What changed your mind? A very young, sweet boy. He is so smart. And thanks to him, I now know I am better than I was before. And that's it. I don't want to change who I am. I just want to be better at what I am. Now I'm going to rest because it was a very long drive, said the fire truck. Good night, friends.